Hi friends, today we are going to create a YouTube channel using a smartphone and do some essential customizations. Requirements: Gmail account. You can use a Gmail account you already have, or better, to create a new one only for this YouTube channel. Let us create a Gmail ID very fast. You can watch the YouTube videos of this channel on how to create a Gmail account using your smartphone. Link will be provided at the end of this video and in video description. Second, your phone number will be required to verify your YouTube channel, which will provide some extra features to the channel like adding custom thumbnails, live streaming, and so on. Before actually creating a channel, we need to decide the type of content that we are going to deliver to our audience. It can be informative or entertaining. Do a proper research before you decide the channel name. A channel name should be unique, memorable, relevant, and available in other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can create a YouTube channel from YouTube application in your Android phone or opening YouTube desktop version in Chrome browser. However, some basic essential customizations cannot be done from the YouTube app and needs to be done from the desktop version in browser. So first, open YouTube from Chrome browser and log in with your channel ID. Tap on the three dots top right and select desktop site from the menu. YouTube opens just like laptop or PC. Tap on your user icon top right and from menu select create a channel. And we get this. Your creator journey begins. Tap get started. Choose how to create your channel. You can use your Google account name or you can use a custom channel name. Here I am selecting the second option. Create your channel name. You can use your brand's name or any other name. Enter the channel's name and then tick the checkbox to agree and tap create. Channel successfully created. So now we have to upload a profile picture and add channel description. We will also need a channel banner. I tap on set up later as I will do all the customizations together from YouTube Studio. This channel creation part can also be done very easily using the YouTube app. First go to YouTube app, log in with the new channel ID. Tap on your channel logo and select your channel from the menu. Use YouTube as. Enter name of your channel here. And tap create channel. And we are done creating the channel. We have already created the channel either in Chrome or in YouTube app. At first, let's upload the channel icon or profile pic. Let's tap on customize channel. Go to branding, upload the profile picture. The YouTube profile picture or channel icon can be the first impression of viewers and can determine whether they will click on your channel. Next, let's upload banner image. A channel art shows a channel's brand and personality and can be used to share key information like upload time, tagline, etc. You can also add a watermark that will be showing in all your videos, but I will not be doing it right now. Tap on basic info. The channel description is the text on your channel's about page. It helps viewers understand what to expect from your brand. So write a description that draws the user to your brand. Copy paste the video description you already have created. In this channel, you add links to your website or other social media accounts. For example, I am linking my Instagram accounts here. Next, add your contact information. that is your email ID. In the first section under Layout, you can change the layout of your channel homepage by adding relevant videos or sections to your homepage. You can do this later. Next, tap the gear icon bottom left to go to Settings. Settings dialog will open up. Select Channel from the left-hand menu list and under Basic Info choose your country. Next, choose some keywords related to your channel. This is not your video keywords and is very important and helps your channel to rank in search. Next, since you are new, you may want to hide your subscribe account from your visitors. So, uncheck this option. Click Save. Now you can verify your account in feature eligibility. See that the default features are enabled, whereas the features that require phone verification are not yet enabled. Tap here and you will find the extra features that are enabled after verification. Tap Verify Phone Number and then provide your country. Select Call Me with automated voice message or text me the verification code and enter your phone number. Next, enter the verification code and tap Submit. You will immediately get a message, "Congratulations, your account is verified." When you have done all your customizations, tap the Publish button on the dashboard to save all the changes. So, in this video, we have learned how to create a YouTube channel, how to do some basic customizations, like adding a channel icon, adding channel banner, adding description, channel keywords, adding external links, hiding subscribe account and verifying account. So, that's all for today. Do like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks for watching.